Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive. Carrying bus Sydney. I've got this Volkswagen VW Transporter, commercial vehicle here. We have to remove the EGR out because nothing was working. We couldn't even get the actual EGR to move around, the actual motor, the actual valve, the main valve motor. And one of this solenoid here was already not working at all. This one here is a common problem as well. That solenoid wasn't working as well, so I got a new one there anyway. But this is like pretty much have to strip everything out to actually get it out properly. There's no much room in here as well just to do this job here. And let's come to the actual bottom. Here's your actually complete EGR cooler. This one here, there's a part number there. Comes complete from VW. If you have a look inside here, how dirty this is. But when we took the motor out, we actually took the motor out, and this is the actual inside of the actual EGR. But we took the motor out and have a look what we found. We found something in there that's jammed in there. Look at this one here. Jammed in there. That's why the actual the motor is not working. So it's jammed. There's a piece of like diesel soot, looks like it to me. Have a look inside there. Jammed inside here, causing this motor not to move, not to shut properly and not to be controlled properly. So when the computer is trying to move it, when the computer is trying to move this motor close and open, it's because of this one here is actually stuck in there. And the only way to do it is actually take it out and actually have a look properly. And that's what we found. Look properly here. There you go. That's better. That's a better view. So now we're going to take that little piece off. Let's hold that. Let me just press pause. Alright, this little piece here is a piece of metal. If you look here, I'm not sure what it is. We're going to have a look around anyway to see what's this piece here. Why is it in there? So, it's a piece of metal. Something's broken off and stuck in there. Let's have a look in here. Can't see anything that's broken off from this part here. Not sure what it is, but now we're going to, it looks like just that piece of metal was jammed in there, causing this EGR not to work. But the thing is, we have to remove the whole lot off. If you look underneath here, all that's got to come off. If you look up there, see there, that's where the EGR sits in there. No room, but we have no choice to do it this way. Alright, so now we're going to actually plug this piece in here and plug it back into the car. And at the same time, we're going to actually have a look around here. What else can cause this piece to go inside here? But to me, if that was already there from factory, it must be something that fell down inside here from factory when they assemble something, because there's not much we can do about that. But now it's actually shut. So if I put this motor back in and the motor shuts and the faults go away, because I can't erase the fault, it will come back straight away. Alright, so this is the actual part number of the motor. And then we'll go from there. Alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe.